Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel GAMAARZ. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. Revitalize your view. Windshield Scratch Repair Liquid Review. Maintaining a crystal clear windshield is essential for safe and enjoyable driving. However, the inevitable scratches and blemishes that accumulate over time can hinder visibility and compromise safety. In the quest for an effective solution, I recently tried the Windshield Scratch Repair Liquid, a promising product that claims to restore clarity and eliminate unsightly scratches. After putting it to the test, here's my comprehensive review. The Windshield Scratch Repair Liquid comes in a sleek bottle with clear instructions for easy application. It's marketed as a quick and efficient solution for minor windshield scratches, abrasions, and hazing. The liquid is formulated with advanced polymers and abrasives designed to fill in and smooth out scratches, ultimately restoring the windshield's original clarity. Applying the Windshield Scratch Repair Liquid is a straightforward process that requires minimal effort. The package includes a microfiber cloth and an applicator pad for convenience. Before starting, it's crucial to clean the windshield thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris that may interfere with the repair process. I followed the instructions closely, applying a small amount of the liquid onto the applicator pad and gently rubbing it onto the scratched area in circular motions. The product has a mild abrasive quality, so it's essential to avoid excessive pressure to prevent any potential damage. After the initial application, I noticed a significant improvement in the visibility of the scratches. The product did an excellent job of filling in the minor abrasions, making them less noticeable. For shallower scratches and surface imperfections, the repair was nearly invisible, leaving the windshield looking considerably clearer. However, it's important to note that the Windshield Scratch Repair Liquid is most effective on minor scratches. Deeper or more severe damage may not be fully eliminated, and in some cases, a faint trace of the scratch may still be visible. Managing expectations is key to appreciating the product's overall effectiveness. One concern with many scratch repair products is the longevity of the results. In this aspect, the Windshield Scratch Repair Liquid performed reasonably well. The repaired areas remained clear for an extended period, even after exposure to rain and sunlight. While it may not be a permanent solution, the product provides a lasting improvement that is worth the investment for those seeking a quick and affordable fix. The Windshield Scratch Repair Liquid is a commendable solution for minor windshield scratches. Its ease of application, noticeable improvement in clarity, and reasonable durability make it a valuable tool for car owners looking to enhance their driving experience. While it may not be a miracle cure for deep scratches, it certainly exceeded my expectations in addressing minor imperfections. If you're looking for a budget-friendly and user-friendly option to revitalize your windshield, this product is worth considering.